Hey guys, I'm just going to be making a quick YouTube video. I'm going to be opening some packs. They're 15k ones for Team of the Season. Hopefully, if we get a Team of the Season, this pack opening might be a good pack opening. So let's look at the camera now. Okay, first pack. First pack. First pack. First pack. First pack lock. First pack. First pack. Not successful at the moment. Not just yet anyway. Oh, I'll take the positioning. Ooh, I thought that'd be a good kit. Guess it wasn't. But all these fitnesses though, that's quite successful, I'd say. I'll take 2 of these. And I think that'll be it. Discard. Be gone, will you? Second pack. Hopefully it can be a bit more improved, I should say. But yeah, nothing. Vieto looks like a pretty sick card. I might send him to the club. I don't know why I just sent him, but yeah, an attribute card. I'll take that. Excuse me. Okay, continue. Excuse me again. I had a bit of a bad cough today, but not the worst. Take one of these fitnesses and get rid of me. But guys, at the end of this, we might actually be able to afford another one of these packs. Not sure if we do, but yeah, we could do. Possibility. And Hurricane Blue! Holy moly! Hurricane! Hurricane is back in town! Hurricane! Oh, da 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 dum! Oh, hey, oh, Hurricane! 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 And you see Hurricane! 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 Can you see Hurricane? That guy just deserves a brilliant smash on the like button. I'm sorry. Just smash that like button. And everything else is just basically crap in this pack. But we can nearly afford another one. We should definitely be able to afford it now. If we played like one more match, we'd be able to get it. He does actually like a sick player. So I'll take him. Who is this guy? Oh, weird nose. Yeah, continue though. Oh my god, we got a sick training. We just got a sick training. Handling, kicking, leg. Contract, that's a good contract. Let's go for that. Yeah, we'll take, that's the last one. Coins! Yeah. I never actually find that coins ever really work for me when you go onto like MMOGA. Link in the description. It never actually works. But final pack. This is going to be sick. Silver. That was our best player in the pack. He's like the most likely to sell the most. Literally the most, and it was a silver.
Check the other side.
What side?
Go all the way to the other side. No, the other side.
Oh, the other side. I forgot about the other side. The Ecuador badge. Just what we wanted. Oh no, discard. 20,000 coins. This has been alright.
What are you doing?
I finished it off with a gold pack.
Ah.
And then we're gonna buy another one. And 15k. Oh, skip! I can thieve! That would have been our best player. And we got it, it doesn't matter. And it was a rare as well. So, don't see that too often. Discard you. We got 21,000 coins! 21. Okay, let's open this last pack. It's with coins now. So this should be the best pack. Lord Bentner, all hail the Lord Bentner. Okay, he's not that good though. Oh, contracts, and fitness at the end. Oh my god, this is just the sickest pack. Positioning, defending, CDM to say yeah, that's pretty much it. Oh, well,
See how much Harry Kane is.
Oh yeah, guys, I'm just gonna finish this off with seeing how much Hurricane is. This is that's my sweaty BPL team. Swap player. Hurricane. How do you see this? Oh yeah. List, I think. Does he sell? That's the thing. Compare price. No, he doesn't even sell. I thought, guys, we might have had a chance to sell Hurricane for much money. Turns out he doesn't sell for that much. But still, guys, it was successful. We got a team of the season. Yay! Hurricane! Well, guys, this is going to be the end of this video. Turned out to be very successful indeed. Yes. And peace!